Hey guys, Jason here from The Blind Pig. You guys have seen my Irish car bomb videos before. Many of you loved it, left great comments, tons of likes. I appreciate every one of those. If you haven't seen it before, here it is. Well, we're not one to repeat and do the same thing. We got to one-up it this year. So for this year, we're gonna do the double-barreled Dublin shotgun. That's right, we don't need glassware for this. This stuff, that's out, that's gone. This is take two. If you see any drips, take one didn't go well. So we're gonna start by shotgunning a Guinness. We learned already that if you just stab it, because that nitrogen, it's gonna go everywhere. So we're gonna try that first. All right, that's better already than the last one went. Let's go ahead and stab her. Much better, much less pressure now. Well, maybe not. Kids, don't try this at home, or do, whatever. Whichever you want, just drink responsibly. Because clearly we're being very responsible right now. All right, we got our Jameson. We got our Baileys. We got our car bomb. That, guys, was the double-barreled, double car bomb. Maybe stick to the Irish car bombs this year. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers.